Welcome to a very special package. So today I received this package with a challenge lock inside, and this was sent to me by the Lock Picking Lebowski. Ha! Very cool. So Lock Picking Lebowski, thank you very much for sending one of your challenge locks to me. I really appreciate it. So yeah, very curious to see this lock. So let's open up the package, check the note, and yeah, see what happens. Oops, there is the lock with a note included. Meet key. And oh, that looks nice. Let me just read the note quickly. Okay, I will fold the name away and we can read it. Hello, Putty. Both keys work, although a bit stiff going in and out. Please be mindful of the springs, etc. when gutting. Good luck, sir. All right. Yes, I will be mindful, and I will not unwrap the key. I will just put it aside. And nice lock with set screws on top, 6-pinner. Yeah, should we try it right now? So that's pretty long. Okay. Okay. So I could try using one of my homemade picks. I'm gonna try using this and the tensioner. I go on the pin side with a Peterson 1.3mm pry bar. Okay. Just the lightning a little bit. Ah. And let's see. Touch the pin, I believe it was 6, and the cord and just a hair. Work my way to the front. Oh, there is one bind, there's one pin binding, I believe it's 2. I release tension and got it to some height, but no feedback on the core. Ah, now there is feedback. I'm very light with the tension. I think it's more comfortable to use a thin pick. Use this Peterson jam, I believe. Let's see. Feels like a spool, and I think I got it. Yeah, making some progress here. I think there is feedback from 2. Faucet returned. Got a sleeve rake from the back, but I'm not sure if I can really set the pin. Maybe the pick is not, the hook is not deep enough, so this is probably 4. Okay, faucet returned. That's 1. Maybe I got it, but lost the faucet, so let's try to get it back. Maybe I messed it up. I'm not really satisfied with this pick. I am satisfied with this pick because it's open. Yeah, that was cool. Okay, so now let's be mindful. Yeah. Let's be mindful. I lock it back up. Oh, that's stiff. Ugh. Where's the key? Let's get the keys out. So that's the bidding. All right. And yeah, key works, and it's really not easy to turn. Probably this back ring here is very tight. So let's check this. Yeah, it was tight. Oh, I need a pinning tray. I'm not prepared at all. Although it's a challenge lock, I used the white one because the other one, the black one, is still occupied with the spools from Trackmaster 30. So let's see how it turns now. Much better. Okay, it was just the ring that was a little bit too tight. So now I need a hollow follower. Still out. Okay, let's see. Pins are pointing upwards and no, I don't need a hollow follower. Something goes wrong. I can still unscrew the set screws from the Bible, but nothing went wrong. Everything went pretty good. So here are all the pins in working order. Let's put them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The core is threaded in each and every chamber. Very nicely done. Very nice and round and smooth core. Great. So we'll have a look at the pins when I have extracted the driver pins. Then we have a look at them all together. And let me think. Yeah. I need to pay more attention which direction the pins come out. No, it's the other way around. I should better learn to do this. So, right here. Oops, that was a big string. Oh. And another very strong spring. Oh. So Let's be mindful. Wow. Okay, the springs, we need to pull out the springs, so which side was which? I think this was the front, so then this is 2, 1, no, this was 3, that is 2, very short little spring, then we have one, one jumped somewhere. Okay, let's it's still in the housing, so this is 1. Then we have 6 is already out. Yeah, that's good. Then we have 5, very strong spring, and 1 is remaining, which is number 4. So we have the Bible. I can see threading in 1 and 2, and in each and every chamber we have threading. So we just threaded through the whole chamber. Okay, now let's have a look at the cool pins. Nice variation of springs. So for the key pins we have a spool, we have a serrated, standard, double serrated, standard and standard, and now to the drivers we have a standard in 1, spool in 2, and a T-pin in 3, a spool in 4, and a very, very long, cool T-pin in 5, and another T-pin in 6. For the springs we have a tiny little spring in 1, nice little spring in 2, and a bigger one in 3, and a double spring in 4, and a extremely strong spring in 5. That's really, wow. That's a really strong spring. And we have another normal spring in 6, same as in 3. So let's put everything together for a final picture. So yeah. So Lock Picking Lebowski, thank you very much for sending me your lock. It was great fun for me to pick it and to look at the funny pins that you've put inside. Very, very nice long T-pin here. Cool pins. So yeah, thank you very much, and everybody else, thanks for watching and happy picking. Cheers and bye bye.